Oh, papa. That's 20 pounds, yo. 20 pounds. All right. Damn. Is it gonna let me turn? Holy shit. Damn. Not at all. So, 20 pounds. It'll lift it. All right. Big arm. Little arm. It'll lift it. And bucket. But swing, won't do it. No original Huina parts will swing 20 pounds. All right? But, see that guy up there? All right? That guy has an upgraded turntable with ball bearings. There is no play whatsoever. All right? Okay. Take a look. All right? This thing sits as is. I'm gonna bring it back down. So, I'm gonna load up my excavator with all of those weights and that bucket, and we're gonna see if this thing will freaking spin it. All right, and then I'm gonna show you what site to get it from. Okay, bear with me. Okay, so what did we end at? 20 pounds? Yeah, that's what it was, 20 pounds. So, no, it wasn't. It wasn't. It was more than that. It was 30 pounds. So I'm going to do 30 pounds again with just an actual 30 pounds. Right. I got 55 on the back. Shouldn't have any troubles. Let's see how the Wuehlbox turntable with the ball bearings work. All right. Amazing. Okay. So that is awesome. I must say that it isn't 100% all the turntable. I also have the Magnum turntable motor upgrade added to it. All right, but look at that, man. That's nuts. Sick. So it's killing the motor just to let it down. That's funny. All right, let's swap it up. I'm gonna put $60 on the back. There you go. Right there, 60 on the back. Okay. And then let's slap $45 on the front. 45 pounds for the Wuehlbox turntable with ball bearings and Magnum motor, right? I'll tell you right now, the turntable is the biggest, main feature. The motor could turn. The problem is that crap gearbox that it had inside of it, right? Matter of fact, yeah, I pulled my old one out. I think it should still be in the box of old parts. Whew. So here it is. This is the old one. If you actually seen, I'll show you a video of what the new one looks like. I'll actually paste that. Actually, hold on. What am I talking about? I have another one over here. Right? Duh. When you have RCs, you gotta have all the tools and spare parts. So this is the original Huina, and this is the upgrade. Like, you got plastic and some cheap alloy on one side, and on inside it has this metal, like strong metal, and then you have this. All right, this is solid freaking. I'll even show a weight difference here at the end. So, okay. We got, once again, 60 pounds on the back. Out of focus. 60 pounds in the back, 45 in the front. Turning. Oh, wrong one. Wrong controller, bro. There we go. Oh, too fast, Alex. What are you doing? Take it easy. Take it easy there, buddy. Oh, yeah. So definitely need. So what just happened there? It's guaranteed I just broke my arm servo motor. Ready? Check it out. I just broke my arm servo motor. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. It saved it. Saved it. Wow, I'm surprised. That's too funny. Look at that. Saved it. Oh yeah. Guess what? I wouldn't have been worried if I did break it anyway. So, you know why? Because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole bunch of parts, man.